Brother Danny bilang youth leader natin, and everybody please to stand up. Maaga tayong magpipirma ng People's Manifesto dito sa harap habang sabay-sabay nating inaawit ng tuloy-tuloy ang Pilipinas kong mahal, at yan ang simbolo ng pagkakaisa natin. Ka-Peter Moto and Nanay Lulet, please join Kamintong and Ma'am Lorin Maribadoy, and we will request Assistant Director General dati ng National Security Council, si Ma'am Renia Corocoto. Ma'am, please come over.
Please come forward.
From National Security Council dati ito, Assistant Director General, and Sir Peter Lavinia, sir. And Sir Nick Elman, come over.
Wilson Bayani ng Wilson Chinoy.
Wilson, please. RJ. Ito, Kamintong will lead. Kado, please. Ang puso ko ay buhay mo. General Simoy ay joining us today from among the ranks of patriotic retired generals. General Felizardo Simoy, dating nasa serbisyo ng gobyerno, general ng mamamayan, retired, kasama natin sa Lotto Warcon. Tuloy-tuloy po ang pagkanta at pag-awit. Bayan ko'y paninigaw, Pilipinas kong mahal. Do we have the pen there? Sige, play lang natin at ito'y symbolic at inantay natin. Ito. Nandito po, pwede ulitin natin. Kami ito. Ito pa. Mas malakas. General Simoy, please join. Thank you. Yes, sir. General Simoy, sir. Please join. Pilipinas kung mahal, ang puso ko at buhay man sa iyo'y ibibigay, tungkulin kong gagampanan, lagi kang paglingkuran, at laya mo'y babandayan, Pilipinas ko. Everybody please, feel free to join. At ang mga nakapirma na po ay pwede na po pumunta sa gitna para sa ating come over please, everybody. We are now witnessing sina ADG, Renia Corocoto, dati sa NC, Peter Lavinia, Nick Elman, General Simoy, Ka-Peter Moto. Daniel, you will be signing as the youth leader representative. Go! Sign the red. Huling kong gagampanan na lagi kang paglingkuran. Ang laya mo'y babantayan, Pilipinas hirap. Nasaksihan po ninyo, nag-join si retired General Felizardo Simoy at ang iba pang grupo ng Akbang ng Maisog, Transparency at Accountability, grupo ng sambayanan at mga dating kadre, mga non-government organization, youth leaders, tuloy-tuloy po, mga digital media creators and digital media practitioners, Kabadong Arateles. Everybody is invited to come. We have 15 minutes bilang bahagi po ng solidarity. Make the signature as our call of solidarity and make this government realize that they can never control the people. The Filipino people will be the makers of history, and we shall decide what is best for this country, and definitely hindi yun giyera. Everybody please join and come forward sa symbolic manifesto signing habang magsasalita ang iba pa nating mga kapanalig mula sa abroad, Professor Ana Malindogoy and si Sas Rocando are on standby right now to join us. Many more lawyers are joining us, sending their online solidarity. Attorney Marlon Busantog, Attorney Mark Tolentino, Attorney Rolik Soplico, Attorney Harry Roque, and many more are sending solidarity online. Yeah, you can sign. It will become a historical document, itong manifesto na ito. Ituloy-tuloy po natin ang Pilipinas nating mahal. Okay, we have the final 10 minutes. Ituloy-tuloy lang po natin ang awiting madamdamin ng Pilipinas kong mahal. Maraming salamat, former Assistant Director General sa ating National Security Council, Ma'am Renia, General Felizardo Simoy, at iba pa pong grupo na nagsusolidarity ngayong araw na ito at nagpapakita ng pagkikipagkaisa sa manifesto na ito.
Those who haven't signed, please come forward. Please sign the manifesto. Like to acknowledge representatives from Akbang ng Maisog, DDS Confederation, Kirusang Pagbabago, Allied Military, Uniformed Personnel and Reservists, led by Captain.
From our Muslim brothers and sisters, please join to sign, sir.
National People's Initiative,
our manifesto here.
Council Committee.
Sir, please come over. no to war from Moro National Liberation Front. They're sending online their solidarity through their political officer, Aziz Mount Ulamit from the Moro National Liberation Front.
Thank you.